Live from the Dunkin' Latte Lounge.
Yay, 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 yay. Hey, yo. Little mama, how you doing? It's the 4-5 rides coming through it. I got this insane feeling you might want in on this, yeah. Let's take one more shot. Wait a minute, I think we should roll one. I'm loving this flavor. Baby, baby, you giving me flavor. Yeah, and I like that you're shy. Let me whisper something you should know. Come on, I'm on your hip like a pager. Yeah, I'm on your hip like a pager. Everybody sing along, sing my favorite part. Yo. Hello, 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 Miss Marigo. You got me going around this scenario. Back here with your friends once again, but to leave with you is the only plan, my friend. Let's take one more shot. Wait a minute, I think we should roll one. I'm loving this flavor. Baby, baby, you're giving me flavors. I like that you're shy. Let me whisper something you should know. I'm on your hip like a pager. Yeah, on your hip like a yeah. Hello. Yeah. She know. Look. Lips to your ear, hands on your waistline. Face on your face, so we on FaceTime. I see you, I got unlimited plans and the extra line. I got unlimited bands and you extra fine. Let's Biggie, give me one more chance. Now she calling me savage like I'm a man. And 21 shots and we shot. Now she trying to post up IG, let's take one more shot. Wait a minute, I think we should roll one. I'm loving this flavor. Baby, baby, you giving me flavor. I like that you're shy. Let me whip something you should know. I'm on your hip like a pager. On your hip like a Hello? Yeah, come on. One more time like
Live from the Dunkin' Latte Lounge.